The slime craze. It's ooey gooey and oh so satisfying. Have you ever squished something soft and gooey? It feels amazing. That's the magic of slime. Slime is super popular and it's so much fun to play with. You can stretch it, poke it, and even make cool sounds with it. It's the perfect activity for a rainy day or just for fun. Are you ready to dive into the world of slime? Let's learn about all the different kinds and how to make your own. Get ready for some gooey fun. A rainbow of slime, exploring different types and textures. Slime comes in tons of colors and textures. It's like a rainbow of goo. You can find fluffy slime that feels like a cloud. Glitter slime sparkles and shines. There's even crunchy slime that makes fun noises. Each slime has a unique feel. Some are super stretchy. Others are thick and moldable. You can even mix different slimes to create your own cool combinations. What kind of slime will you make? Slime, DIY, unleash your inner scientist. Making slime is easier than you think. You can become a slime scientist at home. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Most of them you can find right in your kitchen. We'll need glue, which makes the slime sticky. Then we'll add activator, like saline solution, to make it gooey. Don't forget the fun stuff. Food coloring makes your slime bright. Glitter adds sparkle. You can even add scents to make your slime smell amazing. Let's gather our ingredients and get sliming. The magic of mixing. A step-by-step guide to slime creation. First, pour your glue into a bowl. Add a few drops of food coloring. Stir it up until the color is perfect. Now the fun part. Slowly add your activator while mixing. The slime will start to come together. Keep mixing until it's not sticky anymore. If it's too sticky, add a bit more activator. Now take your slime out of the bowl and start kneading. Stretch it, squish it, and have fun. You just made your very own slime. Sensory delight. The therapeutic benefits of squishing and stretching. Slime isn't just fun to play with. It's actually good for you. The feeling of slime can be very calming. It can help you focus and relax. Playing with slime is a great way to relieve stress. The stretching and squeezing motions are also good for your hands. It's like a mini workout for your fingers. So next time you need a break, grab some slime and squish away your worries. Slime tricks and beyond. Unleash your creativity. Now that you're a slime expert, let's have some fun. You can do so many cool tricks with slime. Try stretching it into a long rope. See how many bubbles you can make by poking it. You can even create swirl designs with different colors. Don't be afraid to get creative. Add beads, charms, or even googly eyes to your slime. The possibilities are endless. Just remember to clean up when you're done. Put your slime in an airtight container so it stays fresh and gooey. Have fun exploring the squishy world of slime.